Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you if it's possible or not to see who have viewed your profile on Snapchat. So for example, get logged into your Snapchat and tap onto Bitmoji. Even if you head over to your settings, you will not see the direct option of the views or people who have actually viewed your profile. However, you can still see who have viewed your story. So bottom line, actually there is no such option as viewing if somebody has, viewed your profile. However, if you have a public profile, you can access insights. So as you can see, I have public profile. There are stories, spotlight, and insights. Now, if there is any insights, for example, if you have more than 7 followers, you may go ahead and select insights. Then you will be able to view each and every insights, which will display the people who have viewed your profile, liked your stories, or viewed your spotlight. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.